Hello, Chef back here in the kitchen, and I've got these awesome colored carrots. Next I'm rocking the red carrot. Gonna give it a quick peel. Wow, it's kind of hard to peel. Interesting. So the outside skin is very, very durable on this carrot. It's different than any of the regular carrots that I've peeled, and quite hard to peel. It's nice to have the right tools, like this bench scraper. So easy to move your scraps out of the way and get moving on to the next project. Alright, so this red carrot, let's split it down the middle and take a look. See what we think here. Got to be careful, this knife's super sharp. Cutting a round object can be a challenge. Very, very easy here. Wow! Look at that. That's the inside of the red carrot. Pretty cool. So I'm going to try first this turbo knife. Really, really nice. Cuts very, very easily. Okay. And I'm going to try the global knife. Again, very nice. So leave a comment, tell me what you think. I already know which one cuts easier, seems a little sharper, and the recipe's coming for these red carrots. Had to try it. Yes, tastes totally different than the orange carrot. Might have more antioxidants, I'm not certain about that, but it's looking pretty good. And we're gonna put these babies next to the purple carrot, just to give you a little comparison shot here. There you go. Please like, share, subscribe, support the sponsor. More recipes coming soon. Watch the next few videos. If you need either of these, just check out your sponsor. They're having a sale. They give you free shipping. There's bonus gifts. There's all kinds of stuff there. So you'll be wise to shop there and check out the next few videos. You'll see these knives rocking and chopping in action. By the way, they're both razor sharp. A quick comparison on the sharpness here. Got some regular paper, but let's go a little further and fold it in half. So double paper, a little bit further, 4 layers of paper here, okay? So I'll show you the turbo. All right. Can your knife do this? End-grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.